Hi everyone, it's Aubrey. I am the nurse injector at Cassileth Plastic Surgery and Skincare, and today we're going to go through a liquid facelift. A liquid facelift, or a non-surgical liquid facelift, is essentially when we use filler, which is a substance that's sticky and gives support made of hyaluronic acid, and we place it in areas that someone who has aged has lost that volume and structure. So it's someone who's not quite ready for a facelift, but they definitely need some lifting and correcting. So with a liquid facelift, the benefit is a lot less downtime than surgery. You'll see how your face will look relatively immediately, and people are very surprised how filler can create such a large transformation. You might be swollen and bruised, that's to be expected, but typically by 2 weeks, people are feeling awesome and amazing and healed. The benefit of liquid facelift is that typically filler will last anywhere from 1 to 2 years in someone's face, so it's an easy way to turn back the time clock with minimal downtime and minimal risk and not having to go under the knife for surgery or anesthesia. The benefit also is after 35, you lose about a teaspoon of collagen a year. A teaspoon is equal to about 5 syringes of filler. People are kind of shocked when they come in for a liquid facelift because they state that, oh, I don't need that much filler, or that seems like a lot. But when you place filler intentionally in the correct areas, you should just look like you, and people don't really know what you've had done. You just look very youthful and glowy and like you did 20 years ago. When people come to me for liquid facelift, we are just balancing their face. A lot of times people have more deficiency on their left side simply because it's their driving side and they've had years of sun exposure on their left side, more so compared to their right. I often can also tell what side people sleep on. The side that people sleep on that's more dominant will largely have a lot more signs of aging than the other. So a liquid facelift is a great way to restore balance, create structure, create volume, and just make your face look overall more symmetric and beautiful.